welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be my top, I don't really have a number, do I have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I actually got 10. My top 10, that's what it's going to be, my top 10 spring lipsticks. I have tried my hardest to kind of mix them up a little bit. They're all a similar kind of tone because that to me is like a spring lipstick, but I have a couple that are a bit out there. But I definitely didn't want to mention any of these in this video that could potentially be like summer lipsticks, because I tend to do these kind of videos like seasonal. So yes, that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing top 10 spring lipsticks. Obviously I'm not wearing a springy top because it is still super cold here. I'm wearing like my winter jumper, but I am doing anything I can to make it feel like spring. So I wanted to talk you through some of my favourite lipsticks that I'm going to be wearing this spring. The first one is the one I'm wearing now. It is a very neutral, like nude pink tone colour. It is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Kim KW, after obviously Kim Kardashian West. You can see how much of this I have used. It is literally just now like a little stub. That's how much I use of it. I really like it. I love the consistency. It's kind of like a glossy lip. I think it would suit so many other people. As you can tell, I'm super pale, so I think it would suit so many different skin tones. And you can swap it around as well with a darker lip liner. It just looks popping. I really like the finish of these lipsticks, and I also like the feel of them on my lips. I don't like anything that is drying or anything like that. So yeah, this has to be my first one. This is the lightest shade that I'm going to mention throughout this video, but I really like it, and as soon as I have finished this completely, I will definitely get myself another one. Right, next one, let's take these off. Also, nothing to do with the video, but kind of to do with the video. I've been absolutely loving these Neutrogena wipes. Hydro Boost, can't even say it. Hydro Boost Cleanser Facial Wipes. They're so good. A bit expensive for wipes, but if you use wipes and you have dry skin, definitely give these a go. Nothing to do with this lipstick video, but it's just helping a girl out, you know. Right, next one is this, which is the Makeup Revolution. Oh, my dishwasher's on. Sorry about that if you can hear the noise. The next one is the Makeup Revolution. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Rain. It has really nice packaging. Comes in lovely packaging. These are like the dupes for like the Kylie Jenner lip kit. I really like them. The one thing that I will say I don't like as much about these ones, and I'll compare them to another one in a few lipsticks time, is they're quite sticky. Like, I don't know if you can see, they're quite sticky, but I really like the colour of them. I have a few of these upstairs in my collection. Oh, the mirror's making a funny thing. I have a few of these upstairs in my collection, and I really like this colour. This is the lighter one that I have. It's a really nice kind of matte finish, obviously liquid lipstick. I really like them. They come with the lip liners in the lip kit, so that's like a bonus to have like two. I'm not wearing a lip liner with it now. I'm just wearing the actual lipstick itself. But I actually really like it. I really like the colour of it. I think it goes nicely for like just coming out of winter, going into spring, which is obviously where we are now. I think for the actual lip kit, they're about £6, which isn't too bad at all. I'm pretty certain they're £6, and you get this and a lip liner is what you get, not a I have a feeling this one is going to be a nightmare to get off. Oh no, the wipes have done it. The wipes have done it. The next one, which is definitely like one of my most favourite ones at the moment, like an everyday one, is an lipstick. This is an amplified lipstick in the shade Blankety. Again, you can see how much I have used, so how much, let me look at the shape of that. I can't really rave much about this. I think the pigment of it is really good, like the colour payoff, and that is really good. So yeah, again, if you don't have Blankety in your collection and you're into your nudes, it's definitely one to look at. So that is my next one. Next up, we have a NYX one, which I love. Obviously I'm wearing it now. This is a NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade, it's in French, can I pronounce it? I'm not too sure. This is what the shade is. I'm not going to embarrass myself. You can just read it when it wants to focus. There we go. Oh no, there we go. That's the shade of it. Finally, woo! I really like this one. It's definitely a gloss, definitely a like butter gloss. My lips like slide off each other, which I really like. I don't like anything that's matte and you know, like you can feel bubbles on your lips or anything like that. They are like an intense colour, like the pigment payoff is really good. I really like them. I love NYX as a brand. The next one that's up is another NYX one. Like, spoiler alert, it feels really nourishing on my lips, and you can see the natural like shine, which I think is lovely as well. So yeah, that is the next one. Next one, now this one's a little bit controversial because it is slightly darker than the other ones that I have shown, but I have to mention it in this video because I love these ones. This is the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipsticks. This one is in the shade Push Up. The other one I love, but I cannot find for the life of me, is called Baby Doll. I wear it all the time. Like, if you follow me on Instagram or anything like that, it must be in a handbag somewhere, or maybe it's in my car, but I just cannot find it anywhere. But Baby Doll is like a must-have, and I'm so frustrated that I can't mention it in this video, but I'll pop it down below, and I'll pop all of these ones down below in the description box anyway. Baby Doll one that I wish I could show you, the Baby Doll one is a lighter colour than this. It's really nice, but I really wanted to mention this in this video because I love these lipsticks. I love their colour payoff. I keep saying that word, but I do love the pigment of them, and I also love the finish of them. So comparing these ones to the Make It Revolution ones, if you're on a budget, then the Make It Revolution ones are absolutely fine. But if you can, I don't even know how much more these are, to be honest. I'll try and find out and pop them down below. But these are like amazing. They literally last all day. I can eat, drink, like hardly any of it will come off, which to me is impressive. I really don't want to take this one off. I really like it. Right, let's crack on. Oh, these are hard to get off as well. Love this one. This next one is an Avon lipstick. This is the one that they compared to more matte than MAC. Oh god, YouTube, this isn't for me, is it? I've done a video about all of these lipsticks that I own, colour swatching them, so I'll pop the link to that down below. There's another one which I absolutely love, which is called Posh Petal, which is a really nice like light lilac colour. It's lovely, but I've mentioned that in previous spring lipstick videos, so I kind of didn't really want to mention it again, but I love that colour. This one is called Pure Pink. This is the colour of it. It's amazing. It's kind of like that like flamingo-y pink, I guess, kind of colour. I love these lipsticks. I'm not just saying it because I'm an Avon rep or anything like that. I absolutely love them. They are a matte finish, but as I've mentioned in 1,000,001 videos, they are so creamy and like a velvet finish. If you are into your matte lipsticks but you do not like the texture of them, the feel of them on your lips, how drying they are to your lips, try one of these. Just try one. They are so good. I love the packaging. The packaging is all like a velvety matte, things like matte black, but it's like, oh, it's lovely. I own so many of these, and Avon have just brought out some new ones as well, so I'll pop a link down below in case you want to have a look at them. Feel free to. But yeah, love this one. I mean, the colour payoff is just so good. I love them. I think that's really nice. Next one is this one, which I again mention 101 times, like everywhere. This is, I have a feeling it's discontinued, but they're in shops like B&M, probably like Home Bargains. Do Home Bargains do makeup? Possibly. They're in those kind of shops that sell like discontinued stuff. This is the Kate Rimmel lipstick in the shade 101. It's in the red packaging, which I never ever see in store anymore. I actually bought this from a market, which I mentioned a little while ago. Oh, I'm so scared if I can't get another one of it. I bought it not that long ago, and I have used so much of it. I love it. I think it's one of those lipsticks that's not too bright, or it's not too daring, too out there, but it's definitely like a brighter pink. Yeah, I love it. I can't rave enough about this. This is like my go-to lipstick when the sun is like poking out of the clouds, because at the minute, like, there's no sun, let's be honest. but I'm just trying to make it spring on my channel. I'm just trying to bring spring earlier to the UK. I'm gutted that it's discontinued, but if you have ever seen it in shops, let me know where, because I definitely want to get like two or three more of these. Oh, back up, caught it. I mean, can we just appreciate that? I love it. Right, so this next one is the brightest one, but I feel like this really suits spring. I mean, obviously summer as well, but I wanted to mention it in this video because it has a really nice like bluey undertone to it. So I just have the vibe of spring from it. And let's be honest, I think when we have winter and it's dark and cold for so many months, and you wear the same dark, not cold, but dark lipstick, as soon as the slight warmest of weather is here, it's a bit like getting your legs out, you know, putting some shorts on. As soon as like there's a tiniest little bit of blue sky in the very far distance, you just want to put on like a bright lipstick. This is one of those lipsticks that I have used for years and years and years, and I absolutely love it. It is in the shade 6 Bubblegum, and it's from Collection. This is what the packaging looks like. I have broken, battered, bruised this lipstick. I love it. This is like the third one I've bought. I have mentioned it before in previous like summer lip videos and spring ones, but to me, I just love it. Like, I really love it. And I'm not a fan of drawing more attention to my lips. I think my lips are quite big without trying to draw any attention to them. So I don't normally go for bright lipsticks, but this one I just feel so comfortable and confident wearing. Like, you're into your pinkies, go for that one. I love it. I think it suits me really well. I like being big-headed. Right, the next one is this one, which I'm not sure if it suits me, but I wanted to mention it in this video because it's a really, really nice lipstick. This is an Estee Lauder lipstick. I'll just have to read the thing. It's a pure colour lipstick in the shade 25 Melon Shimmer. This would suit someone who has a darker skin tone than me, like olive and onwards. This would look so beautiful. I know it's a more like the orange tone, so it's heading more towards summer, but this is a lovely, lovely orange. It has like a slight bluey undertone to it, which I love, but I'm not that convinced if it suits me. I mean, it might suit me if I have like different clothes and eye makeup on, but I had to mention it because this is a sort of lipstick that you can really dumb down if you want to. You don't have to have it as bright as I have it. You can make it even brighter if you want to, or you can just do like a tiny little bit and like pop it around. But that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to be a bit more chatty rather than just like playing loads of music throughout the whole video and just showing you guys. I wanted to like really talk about them. All of these I really, really like. I really like the price of them for what they give. I've tried to do like a good price range between all of them. So I've got some that are obviously in Superdrug and that, and some, I think this one, when I first bought this, it was like £2, the Collection one. So yeah, I've tried to do like a really good like range of not only shades and similar ones, but a good range of prices. So I've got the cheap ones and then heading up towards the Charlotte Tilbury MAC kind of prices. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe before you leave to see more videos from me. I upload 3 times a week, on a Monday, a Wednesday and a Friday, all at 5 PM. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon for another one.